you are going 100% plant-based, or even just 50%, 60%, 70%, whatever percentage you've decided to level up your plant-based whole food eating, good job. All right, all that other stuff, the fruit fasting, the water fasting, the dry fasting, even the intermittent fasting, may not be for you yet. Focus on your nutritional changes first. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, and get into a rhythm. A lot of times we mess up on our plant-based journey because we are trying to do too much at once. We're just grabbing stuff. I'm going to do 80% plant-based, and I'm going to do intermittent fasting 5 days a week, and I'm going to water fast on the weekend. That is not recommended. Conquer the consistency of the plant-based eating at whatever level you're at, whatever percentage of it that you are at. There's levels to this journey, and everybody's on a different level. So don't get discouraged when you see someone else that's like, hey, I'm 100% plant-based, whole food all the time. I intermittent fast. I water fast 1 day a week. I fruit fast for 2 weeks out of the year. Congratulate them. One person's progress is another person's progress. Okay, I believe that we're all out here to spread the health message and live the health message. And the more of us that are doing that, the more people are going to gravitate to it and jump on board. However, conquer one element, then get to the next element. All right, that's how you level up. That's how you win. Have a great day. Peace.